Good afternoon. My name's Andre. I'm with AEC Simple, and I want to share our free find and replace in your sheet numbers, names, and view names. Let's go over to AEC Simple. You have our set of tools up here. Let's go over to find and replace. And in this case, I want to change our second floor to say mezzanine. So let's go type in second floor, find what, and replace with. Excuse me. And we're going to be looking in sheet names and view names. Let's select the ones we want to replace. Replace selected. You can see that all of our names have been replaced. If we want to do the same thing for sheet numbers, let's say we want to go make them our A200 series. It's A1 to A2 and just the sheet numbers. Replace selected. This tool is free. You do have to create an account, but that's free. And hope you enjoy.